This will seem impossible in 25 seconds. We worry about things in the future that might or might not happen, or things in the past we cannot change. It's funny that now is the only time that exists, yet we are rarely present for it. This is what it feels like being focused. Focused on yourself, where everything else doesn't matter. Like this room that looked like this just 25 seconds ago. We designed something that would help you achieve this when you want. Set the timer and let the movement, depth, and randomness pull you in, slowing down time and removing distractions. This isn't magic crystals. It's science. Dedicating just 12 minutes a day to yourself to reduce stress, increase focus, and enjoy waking up rested, ready to go, is what we deserve. Every line, every curve, and every surface of Motion Zero has been carefully designed to provide both a visual and tactile experience. You can ground yourself and keep focus by touching it, playing with it, letting your fingertips see as well as your eyes. People at the top of their field do some form of it to become better at what they do. Some call it meditation, others mindfulness, deep concentration, or caring for your delicate bonsai. Whatever you want to call it. We just gave it a form.